How to get 50% off eBay coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in eBay coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for eBay. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 20% off, 50% off, $70 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, code will appear. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on redeem at eBay. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you're on the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over here, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for eBay. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for eBay. So this way you can easily get up to 50% off working coupon code for eBay. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.